Talofa lava, o lo ingoa o Eleanor McLeod. Talofa, my name is Eleanor McLeod and I'm the teacher, Pasifika teacher here at Wainuiomata Intermediate in Wainuiomata. I'm the teacher of a brand new Pasifika class, which was born about of providing an opportunity to help bolster our students' cultural identity. Today we're celebrating Samoan Independence Day to help celebrate so that they can really feel that sense of pride in who they are and who they are becoming.